Hello everyone, this is Master Clyd3wtz. Welcome to our video tutorial on solving basic algebraic expressions. In this tutorial, we'll cover the fundamental steps to tackle algebraic expressions and make them easy to solve. So let's get started. Our first example is 3x plus 7 equals 16. Let's go step by step and solve this expression together. Step 1. Identify the variable. The first step is to identify the variable, which is represented by the letter x in this case. Step 2. Isolate the variable. Next, we want to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. To do this, we need to get rid of the constant term on the same side as the variable. In this case, we have a constant term of 7 on the left side. To isolate x, we'll subtract 7 from both sides of the equation. This maintains the balance. Step 3. Simplify the equation. After subtracting 7 from both sides, we get 3x equals 9. Now, we have successfully isolated x on one side of the equation. Step 4. Solve for the variable. The final step is to solve for x. Since 3x means 3 times x, we can find the value of x by dividing both sides by 3. After simplifying, we find that x equals 3. So the solution to the equation 3x plus 7 equals 16 is x equals 3. Great job! You've successfully solved a basic algebraic expression. Now let's move on to another example. Our next example is 2 times 2y minus 5 equals 18. Let's apply the steps we learned earlier to solve this expression. First, we need to identify the variable, which is y. In this case, we need to simplify first in order to isolate the variable. After simplifying, we get 4y minus 10 equals 18. Now we can proceed isolating the variable. In order to eliminate the constant from the left side, which is 10, we need to add 10 from both sides to maintain balance. Now that we've successfully isolated the variable, we get 4y equals 28. Now, let's proceed to the last step, which is solving for the variable. We'll divide both sides by 4 in order to find y. And finally, we get y equals 7. That's it for our basic algebraic expression solving tutorial. Remember to follow these steps. Identify the variable, isolate the variable, simplify the equation, and solve for the variable. With practice, you'll become a pro at solving algebraic expressions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.